Omujumadi for the Paul Fort, Archesano, and some Abbas already, and so Aqua Satira, Quadra Brown, something yet update Tabama, yet for an pay, and some our shadows, no more Meguswamano Casino, yet himself Brunch ever said Nico Williams, Okaya, Medebetuka last week in the Sakwadan in Yamia Tuma, and Yania Canis on the 12th of August, and a player, Yafan said Nico Williams, I was one, and some started training Adamabo Bokua, Yafan said Bebo, or the same player, Tima, the dinner. Some other boss Abasomoto. Now report coming in and out of Pedasacotano. What are some other junior Canasabe Bow? One more training our brother Mesa Canasabueno. Yes, Wakate the holidays in a short. Our brand Williams Nanka on the 12th no, and our San Cabia Quadanos Abba. Now Dominion in a Sabuini Fu say, why ain't your holidays in the Biama just one room? Our Mabay and Namaka grow room and some our club NHS and a town for. Your father said Nico Williams and Asampo. One red for Salami, Yaman, Kodami, woman some aquaje or money to the minion say, boy, a banana, Penico Williams, and our Shanano, our brother shot at the Ayabao, woman some not running Ketwabeno, Waben medicals at Yamasaita, your father said Bebo, and watch your Beram Nampo, woman training session, I was a question, one also at me, I have been in, I under the supervision of manager, your father said, I just Valverde. Now, I do back when I said, and I'm so media team ni busana sabama na holidays na akwasesansa we champion our Europe our bra when Spain and akwaje jumedia ye fa say Euros no ensom adeba na nya bia no sei anam anyoma si ko anya bia no sei ana ye hwenim say bia this season no eno som abasi akwa onim sa akwadan na ye fa say Nico Williams akasam no wo say de bibia e fine na onom wo hwe no mu say season am start na wo koso aye adwuma na chasasema akwadan ne kan no ensom matches I there or no, and some other stay our Bebao, and to best 2 weeks ago, and some other last two come and you just say, I could only be a bet to me, yes, I bet me about Sabia Bueno, and some other stay, I bet me about Sabia Codano, and some other calling on a point say, we're looking forward to the season, and some other shall say, our brother Ayasama Codana, your father said Nico Williams, and some other Tuja. Now, Medicato at the amounts of Bueno, Wakate, no holidays in a short, not at just say, yes, Okobe Power. What would you about Sakura Sanka on stay and on catching the holidays in the short and some to the moment. Akurano Akate the holidays in the short to know and some matches who know a best stay and walk or swap on the ball and some Adiamabe Bow our son Mamesa and Kakafu Panaswaya and some Ababasa supporters Nibi and some our GDSM. Adireno, I see almost what kind of famous I shall picky, and some managers a name a picture be a maybe a drum, about say name a beko, Yo Yanisa Pika Posti, La Secada, Nacha Secadano, Nacha a name a best a Koreasia, Nanema Alcohol say, when you know some Naya Diamond Bobasa for Humasa, she see our brother Balfono, Wamasha Dapana, some Macatano, and some video at the bar, and no matches were best. No casino, what are some report our training and no I update about who's something yet the Amia was a sour drum and some our Spain and in the mountains were not just any punning a yanya Gidia Bisa could never tanatia, met just a juffy, woman some aquatana, your father self Federico Kias and a pair, Yasin agent and our funnel, and some Adanama Barcelona for say, and you'll be Amunya Ayakias Amupe, and I say be a mumpe as a Kiasano, one of some I are not a winger, Abanas of Bona, and then be on a test of Bon will be a pra, and some other dinner in your Pamasa, Tamanakias and Prior, a year to Mama Jufa Massa could have been football, no bonnet bow to Sompa, bonnet beg defenders of Quality, a Codain, a Damuni Fabenque, see you not just a Mutamano, and I be being Tiaboni Prior Cobaye, one shut down by your Sam Yanisan Cabiane, more kind of Williams and Yadi, Amadam and Sakani on Sakodawe, yes, in the agent and so funnel, and some other name of Barcelona, and update to Abba Hunsamano, yet the Amiata for Nico Williams Setiano, what would time monitor and Jumadian Wabra, one monitor stories, I'm a tied by a Bononia, Yakana transfers, I'm a Domasuko, make it your last week in the same. boy no will hear guarantees from Barcelona. Now guarantees and say Barca bet me trying to buy out clause aqua for boy no and some adana banimum ebasika or the registration of Barca and to me and register Kodana or La Liga anymore. Yes, I could try guarantees the best in there. Will be into me just say oh ya don't buy say the bay say I'm a rahantino ya be register or not Jaminian say Barca our 40 million euros be I wasn't Kebia last week in the Cometia Adama Libero Nanka Amaretano to 1:1 Ebesina Manoka say no Bonsa woman Triasa mountain to Sompa Abaka Kabi Oho Ama Chasani money no bueno and some mania consider Ninano and some lady from us were deba now report to Aminyan Enra or Red Father said Deco and some Akako drew a Germany Meno Casanano per report to Aminyan say meeting crash I said at the Ansana Yababe Rum and some our studios now Yabe Rum no Red Father said Deco one other chance of point agent no one some at a meeting us here one lives a company for the Asian and some Ayakotana your father said Danny Olmo Amano Casa Olmo Tiano yes sir Basa bet me and the answer you can last week in say Sandy and Nico Williams and Akaka Bibia says Basa from focus no El caught Nico and as a player your father said Olmo Tiano our Bramano Kasa said Dominion say and Comodiano Guzua and also across our lives a Kawa Brano and some update Eba who something yet the Emma yet for another pay and some our shoulders of Bonsa Wabramu Yomutron and Sakotana your father said Roma and some Bonsa come Shaka Benyama Mia now Rema was saying Anka baby a basa for sure gola and yanko man celebration jubilation omunie na Rema no Nigerian in Katra Robert Lewandowski and it has Alejandro Balden Rafinha masa musha gola asana yo mamo sanu wa bra we na never sanu la puga gabuga masa oh masa just I said oh masa eti baby says boys no amudi adiri no anu shepanas mamen fa remane aye bonsa enkwara ne kakra bi wose mo boyfriend e commercial cola mo celebration eniye
Mr. Off. Yeah. We go on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yes, not just no I Nigeria Quatana. Your fan say Rayma and one Lewandowski and a Balde Afe. Aquadana fan say Rafinha Munino. I'm on some account just no I update eba. You can last week in a player. Your fan say Oro Romeo and Johnny Bobakua. Your fan say Juronia. Unimsa say yes a Basa for the Shemusa. When and you can say fear clause. Now fear clause and say Wamobala Liga. Now send you Juronia Basa and Elba. Oro Romeo entimi mobinam oh na mutimi nyina chi ayageba ku bi awohopa ensom our Premier League ni mo and se basa bia basa ne bobakua ye fan se Juronya ekoshi akotan no wontimi mobo enfama side ye fan se Juronya entia basa no ensom na update eba onum se bonsa wabro mo taso ye adwam beka basa Man City and what you basa ne Real Madrid omo El Clasico and across Real Madrid team no e dia ko ho ana ye se Madrid for se basa we Mbappe my Vinicius so my oh that's Vinicius crab ahia ana chese Jude munyina nyamai enti say what you show na Clasico ya ba referee say storm enya ampa ensu oto enfama namu a chese ha dwe ya yi nipa dominyina ensom every stadium ya kwhye da more than 30 minutes about about so about wahye I say wonya he na domo kan nyina no say boss ankoda no aye Paul Victor aye Benal nom ane chese man kasado masa afi basa for them kwara be cookie bruta na mami okoda na for say Christensen and there's Christensen ye bizan say na anya bia no se mo nkora ne de omu gidi no so enye se bia Paul Victor enko o ewom se Victor eye adwumane mom enkwada na kan nyina no wo mu nyina modompo eno omu dwumadi omu di no ensom ayade se eso nipa Andreas Christensen ensom abo enkwada na abaso
players when they come up they seem ready, they're sharp, and Paul, we know he can score goals. He scored a lot of goals last season also, still young, so now I think we get impressed every day by all of them, all the young ones. So yeah, we just enjoyed coming here and working hard. It's maybe not the most fun bit, but we enjoy it. All the young players.
Yes, na just no kakra free na so adeba e wa brana no pay no ye day stories ema ye for life and so our show no so na wa wunya chance e money ten no pay media ye fan say tip off e wa braba no so no me de betu just Madrid for no say woman antampa ne ya mo ho obi a ugina bre na wa say bia ha e your boundaries untimi nko entra na sa me kan na no pay say Mbappe eba wo bia so nim aye wonim sam a chese aye open secret yanim say about Paris Saint-Germain Mbappe emo bia ti ase so no ana chese oyo ohene ne ba no na chese no onya king nemom oya prince our brother prince bia keke na oya the ear approach to the throne what just a penalty bar wonom and also obo free kick aba wonom and also obo oni nema and Leo Massimo akonya problems am fansam pinano and some other buy na me catch one no person Real Madrid for no say if you now cross Real Madrid popo nam omunya penalty selected penalty taker ayo reference Vinicius Junior wonom and ababa penalty no and ebia just Vinicius penalty so ebia Mbappe jet na kobo and me can free kick asam chow say time na Tony Cruz our no so ama aye Arda Gulash and ababa tebia free na kreno aye Arda and ababa na tiamie say yes training na branch for Vinicius and some start oye ni no report to me say can say Vinicius no yes we practice aye penalties and some our training no abra koba sa we free holidays mu buy a just a ban start training on team ni no yes abakoma so na dwumadia and some magusu alkoso and some aye Vinicius no and so practice aye penalties one aye the main penalty taker and some Madrid ebiam one say pieces no ya onse o corner money ade Ntebia eba no free kick kan sa kwara na ada Gulash ehjem na mom almost say on say free kick bu on my bar ya na ba bia dan ano hye ehu say unmo bi onu bo no timi bo hye wo say hono de yemfama Mbappe and say bia anywhere near the 18-yard boxer e dam na fefa no wo say owura fa no say Mbappe and some ana bebo other ones aye Arda Gulash and wache Luka Modric and Federico Valverde Jude Bellingham and David Alaba wo nyina so abetumi abo na Jaminya no plan say yes Luka Modric am say 38 39 yes no ho de na bra training na Modric e didn't say physically Luka City na fei Jaminya no say yes afi no we be start matches no more and concrete say e bia last season kokoye ye e wa bra na Modric at bench na no buo fadu ba bia asam amade no bam na bam mu na kakra na no ai classic referee say storm na banso no agrada na ya delight na ha again Wobi anko dressing room Modric say na mumia boy no say who ba who e jomo sa kasi am boy nani age just Modric ball gbe just Modric no Jaminya no some about start matches no more and some my team no our brand nyina no and some my update about honsam no ye the emie for more minute awom ye the more stories about shock mame aye abrante na you know, Coco Paul Fort, you know, or your friends near branch, Shaq Benyam, you say, your friend Anthony Amirati, now or your French near branch, or your Paul Volta. Also, I don't know about the Americana de Pono, as one at the work we have for Banos, no Massa. When we are where you are, just say, what but talk, I am mattress, no swan, you on ye, you understand, Pony, and almost said your body almost, now a jacket a door. I didn't send a name and I just Sompa or your Bamano. One say, I'm saying I jina so pampe, massa. A 2 year, what upon a yo, what up, ban, what ye. Oh, yes, almost said you said your question now. What question because I want to do now. So, why do you to me? Why body? Oh, dear, I bet me a beer cap, you know, car door, you know, massa. Oh, massa, Mebois, you share Mebois, we can hear your coffee, and a Paul Volta, Francis Branchano. Well, we are dinner, we are not just a general. One kind of we. Yes, sound I'm your intamna. Oh, the true one, no, aha. I'm almost in a bama no massa, didn't more do. And I just I don't know a ban free. I did so post no one day. I'm some own young to me and call my heart. Your say, what when address was Wahamio, I didn't say any penny me. I'll cause trouble. I just said, nah, Janasu Jray. I'll call you bam, I'll call Fansam, and some Jabani, and some update. But on himself, yeah, came a more red for the side level, some mountain. One of some Akoswana down for on game now. You're finding fencing. It's not done for no, or your fencer. You're finding Mouse Chamberlain Watson. Now, until Hamilton not down for your say, Natian Conotium, and soon consuming Chescaforo on one elbow. Escaforo, one elbow now. What you have done for this? Mamma Shadrach, Mamma, I've done for the Watson, you know. You say Chamberlain Watson, or be our dear Grona, all competing or fencing for what the rich mean. And yeah, Olympic Games, no. A bonusaka, yeah, Ugari, we are what to polish, no. Nam oh, Jabono, Jadino, a bonus compete. Yes, $645,000. Not just a Teresican Ghana day, 100 billion. Just 168 million. And Richard Mill automatic split seconds chronographer. Yes, what my Markham 120. And also, if we are suffering in a watch, you know, I am Marco 120 into Obi Aka 119, and some on market. And so I say, Mamma Lewis Samotel Sodiana, Lewis Samotel on the low, none of the white gold Patek Felipe, and some other cost runner down for the our games. And I say, and also was shining down for the hood. Nasa Shamley, I am Watson Atadia, and I just Hamilton, she and I'm in Sabel Kumuno, and some I water $210,000. I know. And some I say 2.1 billion. And I just and we are Kaka Frimo. And some like Abama something you know, yet Emma yet for an anno pay. And some our shows should have $210,000, you know, and yet 32 billion. 612 million Teresika. More tons as a phalangas. We did to watch you. I just know. And some Kaka from us where, and some like the Abba, something you know, yet Emma yet for an anno pay. And some our shows, no casino. Yeah, Jamin Yanasa, Unsa, Yanimsa, Julian Alvarez, El Atletico Madrid. Now, answer Fenra, no more someone for a partisan. I 75 million. I 75 million. Only said, Dono, dear Bobo Canvanas, Atletico Etria, and a day later, I'm about so some Bobo Kua, your fan is a Man City, Ajaco, and some Adama Atletico, no report to me, I can say. Ebepeja, and you call 95 million euros, 75 million up front. Later, more than 20 million. Ebaba Soso, and I'm Samu Omorodion, and so about Chelsea, and Ukraine, Abacada, and to the Anthony on tour. Now, as of and one not feed be said, Victor Simon, I will be a still dono, Chelsea, and Jamo. Now, I'm not at the report to me, and your Chelsea, I send Omorodion, dear, and your Chelsea, Abaja Victor Simon, a chili, Meno Casa, and pen reporter. Me say can say Osimeno. Yes, boy, I shed the record because now me Tuma. One first game I because for Napoli. And no I 10th August. Now I Coppa Italia game. Woman Modena and a Bossa game no. Yes, Osimhen Asha. Sanya be Antonio Conte at the Nebo. And I say be Antonio Conte Emanembo. Now Jamesa can say woman Pobi Amanaba Beshem. Our as of now Kunta request to say what propose on Yakotana. You find David Neres and some other free. I have Benfica. And to yes, David Neres and Amopano. And to Osimhen Diano, Chelsea Fonum, Asa Kajakum, when Yano Crab that Serbia Chelsea Ate, Akrakota, and Asampo, Ebia Chelsea, Anya Samu Omorodion, and Tabia Omujai, and maybe Osimhen Diano Sakrakabi. Report to me, Yan said, nay, one more that's what discussing. Now, Incomodiano, either say be option to buy, obligation to buy. Nyoma Bernard, just one year, but poor amateur said, Duno, and some I come in young coma. One more some that's one would de archers and in an own seminal. Yet the amateur for yes, Ancelotti. Also, Chelsea, Yamian watching her. Woman remarried about Bo and a Joe, just a Dubacona. Yes, many just fans Ancelotti, no, Akokasam, Jumadia, or Red fans, just Enzo Maresca, I come upon her. Munya, but from I kra enana ju 11 ana saka no eboso na yesem okoka asem no ana sentwefo no bi kobusa coach no so pani na anyabia no asema kala chiro koka ye wo ne sai anyabia no abefa ana say yema wo 10 kakra na coach ne say asema Ancelotti kan de wo ho de na ya adwuma ponim na mom wo so odiri ba say coach bi o asase so bia no ehia time entinye say bia 2 days 2 weeks at your time mumma the time adwuma no abefa yentie no.
This is a process. You cannot think that after 2 weeks, 3 weeks or 4 weeks, 1 month in general, everything is going to work in the right way. I really appreciate Carlo words. I work with Carlo, under Carlo, and it's fantastic. And his career is something unbelievable. So, but he knows better than me and better than many people in this kind of business. The way to reach something important is, to be honest, I had Carlo more or less when he was my age in this moment, and unfortunately he was sacked when.
Yes, na chese manager Fans Ancelotti ayobi adwuma no waya che wonu na ya adwuma pene mom ni nyina chi no do jiri pass adwuma no aye time said ya manager Fans Ancelotti and some asia me no kasa Mika Marino and so ana Arsenal enkomo no obi ani ho a wo hijack do no Arsenal for no and some nagusu din komo terms of payment afei ekwan befa so betu awie ama akoda na Fans Marino and so ababa bia ya baba dru no I was Arsenal omoton ansana o matimi adibi aba so na Jaminya no say one edin katia no I was at Basso, Rhys Nelson, I was at Basso, Aaron Ramsdale, I was one also ko Ansana, Wama to me Eddie B, and so about count Amino Casano, and so I update about 170 yet the Emma, yet for Anano pay, and some I was shown, so I feel, Mamma Fantuan say Liverpool Timino, Yasoma Cocobus, Alexandro Bastoni, and so as a Bastoni Bodema in Milan. Now, yes, a bueno soon, Liverpool no Baba Pam, and all Cassay, Liverpool, Jumana, our form, our Bromon per se, will be able se we aye dwumadi omusuti Jaminya nyina no se Bastoni do no yese boy no so anya Liverpool babo na number 6 amebeka se Liverpool epano yese omumpo bi o Premier League ni mu na jomo hwene aye outside England outside the Premiership just obi ono ebo outside England bia enye number 6 nso keke elite number 6 anu bi anomo hwenem se kwampi aso no omo de baba man you aso na me no kasa manager ye fa no se ten ha gono enso ana chese boys na awo training anei na chese omo nyina gusu no ma ekokama chese obenya Alexandro Martinez mo afei obenya Luke Shaw mo ani Bruno Fernandes mo nyina no amonso training chese no and so I update about man you for semasa I'm gonna get the open now betuama or maybe I'll play a man a bobo and to say one city I'm full as a player no new one year one gun and one on betuamun chama morokra aha yes meza say be fine
I mean I don't fancy me to me is also where pa oh didn't know what's a miracle merenti mi krampo hu da there be say ahoden nkwa ene hu hia se erade de bema no so e de amaya ya ba beduru ene de baby ayeti but fancy before answer na be sha say let me give this special mention to these people omon fa show ni nyago PZ4 boys no fancy PZ4 boys no that's right. Yes ebo phones ne boys no enye better Kulibali mu ne sa asset no on say sa zone no on dey be a picture no beto na ho apata na ya bobo ni we la say sa zone o pa kokoti kura be bi wo sa ewura ho kakra bi no bibia bi o pe she patokra be bi o iti ebo mo na brebi o mo hold you down listen to guys no chale mu too much ye adamododo see ba mo amutie ni nyina ye be mo fili because mu ni ho a fancy enye dey ye ni wonom sa aha nyame hira mo na onya mo kese na fancy yen hyen commodity na sem fa free say na me say within the last 24 hours to 48 hours, and you might be braces when it comes to the transfer market. Now, the dynamics of the transfer market is determined by 3 things. 1, player no ye involved no. Number 2, the selling club. And number 3, the money involved. Now, the player agrees to move. The selling club have no option, and as only option be say obetia si anaso obenya hunu say there be e was a mark da no kona na ni nyewu. Then the money comes in. The money comes in as to how the selling club wants to sell no ni player so obesity afaso ede akọ. Now the domino effect when it comes to the strikers rule, I started quickly with the movement from Atletico Madrid and Manchester City in Comodidi Omodi about Julian Alvarez and the agreement they've had. Chelsea, no share Omorodion, and Victor Osimhen, and Romelu Lukaku, what it brings. Now, overhead the way this domino effect will love to come into fruition for this particular 2 teams and 3 teams. I'm not surprised that Julian Alvarez is moving to Atletico Madrid. There was a serious conversation between Ferran Soriano, Ono, and Manchester City CEO, and Guilmarin, Ono Atletico Madrid CEO. The discussion had gone on between say Komupe players be amoma be see akaina fani mi oni nedidi nkomo ni nyina na mo se debi Julian Alvarez yenya na nankepe. The amount breakthrough ne ba any say there was a UEFA meeting among some top delegates, the CEO, sporting directors near there. There's a transfer due day ayewo. Now that transfer due day no 1 day penny no. Now 1 day penny the big clubs in your mom penny for they are invited you bibia ne man ba ho. It's like more or less like the big clubs no more Europe no almost CEOs, sporting directors in penny phone mubeshia. It's just 1 day to discuss the pros and cons around the transfer market, how one new city could just to find out all of these things. Now Guilmarin ne Ferran Soriano okushia or honum no mukodi san komono. Initially there had been conversations between Atletico Madrid and Manchester City. But now kwa formalities letter call na letter abako ko na ko aba. But personally Ferran Soriano and Guilmarin share na Guilmarin kachen say very much interested in Julian Alvarez. It comes from communion 10 so now communion so there is a good friendship between the two of them. Now is a 75 million euros plus 20 million euros. Which accumulates to 95 million euros. Or the pounds more 81.5 million pounds for Julian Alvarez. Now, fancy, there's going to be
for breaking from CCR. No, because I transfers now. I say, major presentation make about Barca 40 million euros. I was say, Omutuadama Lebero.
Yes.
Said a baby mama return to 1:1.
1:1.
And when you want to see the ultimate do sika.
Oh, of course.
Yes, in there. Barca and Sabekan says Cano. 40 million euros. This is here, dear Banono. Our Barca Benyas are 40 million euros. No matter and you through a club sponsor. Ti sponsor bi ono no sponsor na se bia omro musika she bas ene mono omo na de ses kan ba ma agreement na konafi basa fo akwa set no kwan ma da ho say de no
fancy it is a ohwe deals na ekoso na me no 75 million euros no e iska bia wosoro but Julian Alvarez 1 he has won the World Cup, 2 he has won the treble, 3 with even the Copa America.
Wajini 2. And Julian Alvarez is not a bench warmer for this particular national team. No, see a kind of man or no. But over Manchester City, this is a Erling Haaland a piano no Babishin. But anytime of Babishin Biano, you could see a reaction from Julian Alvarez. Last season, my double digit in goals in all competitions. Osasu my double digit in terms of assist in all competitions. And Atletico Madrid is a club that is made for strikers. And Atletico Madrid is a club coach no onimkwe first why bench strikers. Unyadi crab yadi. Alvaro Morata had one of the best things as a striker under Diego Simeone. Obefa my fist depend obi anim say enko yem fama no ba Atletico Madrid dey na kosi ye. Na man for ogide say Antoine Griezmann or a flop. Ewo FC Barcelona or samba back to Atletico Madrid dey na kosi ye. So you look at the strikers so Masabo Atletico Madrid from Diego Forlan to Radamel Falcao to Sergio Kun Aguero. About the basi Alvaro so and I say Alvarez so Fancy Di Maria me to me say he's going to the right club and it is really going to help him. Now the ama Konogalaga deal no be me break here ni. Every single club we asimo bia wo agent bia no mamu ye de okono homa nipa kro broker deal no. Now nipa broker deal no for Atletico Madrid, Chelsea any Konogalaga ma deal ni go through mass subdue buy no. Ali Barat. Now, Ali Barak one agent. Abraham Moises Caicedo deal no to Chelsea. The muye ding with Brighton and Hove Albion. Liverpool be mube ding. Sama nankasa. And they say kujinemu. So there is even a picture of Moises Caicedo and Ali Barat. Moto one ma. On signing the contract no honum edema Chelsea. Abraham muye ding. Onyo ne agent edema Moises Caicedo. Ono mo manage o man ase o mo ni agents mo Chelsea players Nicholas Jackson wo ho
Ono asa so manage Mahmoud Dawood. And also manage Ian Matson. Ian Matson so movie. Nicholas Jackson wo ho. So there's a close relationship between Chelsea and that particular agency. Epic Sports for them. It to only Atletico Madrid with this particular good relationship no no ko ginem. Ano ka kire omo say me ne Conor Gallagher bedi nkomo ye be kasa. And a man tia se etimi ya adwuma Conor Gallagher etimi sign 5 years and also kwakọ sign 5 years. E dia match Atletico Madrid akwa si akan. Barcelona will be Barcelona mu dro do mu de pa mo ko dan Piniza Harvey. Because of the relationship between Piniza Harvey and Juan Laporta. At some point in time, it was even Real Madrid and Oye Mendes. But it's a see at Dane, Aqua Paris Saint-Germain and Oye Mendes and Luis Campos. It's no more yet club will be our agent to be obe Roma, obetimia broker, and the Marcono Gallagher Econo. Now Chelsea wanted to do them good because Omoka San Senino Munse Alvarez Eban, he found Omoro Dion Beko. It is a tit for tat. Yeah, the Conor Gallagher 40 million euros will push him, will force him, will make sure so bit my sign. In return, some more Dion prize and also motivate so the Maye because more signing Julian Alvarez. That is where the domino effect also happened. 35 million pounds. Fancy Assassin and come up 70 to 75 million pounds for Moro Dion. Today, no matter price and also my price number form. It is because of the domino effect that has actually happened within some time now. I'm Moro Dion about BPM. No Moro Dion no crown fancy. Or be fitting to Enzo Maresca system now. Pe Moro Dion statistics are wo. Any the anime about Moro Dion in the Jume Dio Babidi fancy di Maria. It is imperative to understand say or your penalty box striker. Omoro Dion, it's more or less like on a shot in and around the penalty box. Now, the Athletic has helped us with a certain statistics to understand the kind of player Chelsea is buying. When your striker, who did you want to play away the honor what said in Nicolas Jackson Mubo in the derby? Okay. He is a force in the box. Now, last season for Alaves, on penalty shot for Alaves in La Liga 2023-2024. Now, low quality chance from Seko Kitikitinako, high quality chance Kesiano. Go no and pink no. Now 64 shots. Ano boy in La Liga last season. Now the right foot on quiet 36, left foot 10. Head and Anitino 18, which means the 9 left in the year Juma, right in the year Juma, the tissue year Juma.
Okay.
But the dominant foot, the right foot. So more or less, or a player Quebec cutting to say Lukaku star Nibi and I said the Tiana. He is always going to cut in from the left hand side of attack, not the right hand side of attack. That is Samuel Moro Dion. Now on your screen, fancy, check here or say 8 goals. That is 0.36 per 90 minutes. But now the XG near 10 points. That means you also now also some more goals than they say, you know. But also Omoro Dion in Yanini. So he's a player who to me being here. Who bet me so far so baby. Chelsea tried with Lukaku and said now Omoro Dion comes into the same shape and style like Romelu Lukaku. Fancy baby onya shot ni nyina no. Okanya shot ni bebrebe ni nyina ye penalty box ni inside. Goals or say nyina ba ko pe. Ana na penalty box outside the penalty box.
In and around penalty box na.
Yeah, also no dey ho na no di agro. And even that one the penalty box ni inside na no pe. It where your goals no say na emu 7 was in the penalty box. 1 just outside the penalty box. Now baby our shot ni bebrebe from lower quality to high quality. Ni nyina inside the penalty box. So he's a penalty box striker which Chelsea is looking forward to bring in. How does this affect the Victor Osimhen and Romelu Lukaku deal? Fancy Napoli feel say omu hia say omu beton Osimhen asan o makwa kofa Lukaku di naba. They want to negotiate a separate deal assistance because Omaya ready say one they are not going to allow him to go for a cheaper fee. Scanner was say muyedu. Emubeyedu susu there. I was say an obligation to buy. Ana akoda na nkasa na say Victor Osimhen na nkasa so. Empese obeti na katwa so at least opese onya bibi kakra chain de oje e wo Napoli no. Eno no opese onya. So that is where the problem lies. And Chelsea feel say omukofo for Moro Dion na Osimhen wo hode e but Osimhen is a market opportunity that they could explore anytime. It is a one thing sika no so Napoli are finding way amana everyone man fana nkwa. And aso no ankasa ampe bebi amfa ne ti ankosha. Omo de so omotom baby. Ball ne ebo ebeto court me be so ni abobi the amount. That is why they are much more serious in getting Omoro Dion first. Yeah. Because Omon pese ye be chinchim omunsa e Victor Osimhen and you already know the Laurentiis. Obe chinchim omunsa sa because onim se mu pese muja Lukaku kwanma ne yede. E maneko Chelsea will also have to do a separate deal for Lukaku and Victor Osimhen then be survive na ba. E maso anoma pe mba be di atena. And fancy that is what Chelsea wants to do. But Osimhen's story no ya be okaka because last season Saudi Arabia for the bid buy. But stand Saudi for na fa bid biama.
Yeah, I'm a Saudi in Ukraine. See many person because Saudi for now.
Person for now.
As a scan of who's
and most of the European clubs too so Johnny prize no. And Obia some person in Napoli be negotiate because Napoli hard people are. So that's when you negotiate, they are going to frustrate you.
They confirm even after such as secure Moro Dion the Ukraine. Chelsea for now some re-enter race moving for Simen.
And fancy that is reliant on what Napoli and Osimhen will do. Because for now, the Napoli Phillies price no money. Lawrence is in your night so better price in so 120 no crown. What 100 million per soji. Now it comes yesterday night. He said Manuel Ugarte, Manchester United is trying to push away from it. Matthias the late bonus so You see, Manchester United and Penny for normal banner don't want to be seen as the way na Glazers na for City home. There is a clear case of people raising a concern about Joro. Say Manchester United work with 61 million euros for Euro now ultimate 60 million euros in fact Matthias later now 50 new all of these things. Agreed, you might have a point over there. But what they are trying to say here say player na ye kwakotone ye na ye de ho na ye lead club na ye to player no. Ye do to me say player we the market value ni nru sa ye ntwe say can find dey.
Well, I'm not to catch you, Mr. Obrene Yasun Cran, Sababi, and some about Michael. Mike, your office now can't say one shot, Ubu say Pep Guardiola Quaco Family. Omo.
Yes.
Okay, so the Mimino Hane say, I let you go for no Persebi and accommodate Joe Felix and my Pep Guardiola.
Joe Felix there now, okay.
Yeah. Because Omofu say Pep will touch. Pep the foul player there, so I want it. Yes. So see the balance Atletico Madrid willing. Say be Omobema Man City Joao Felix. Say be on loan. Because for the average say more Tom.
Yeah.
Basa Kwanya be down. Yeah. See
on loan. Okay. Basa for no so careful 95 million euros no. E betima ko pie mu o straight. Basa for no careful. But see Ugarte there no. Manchester hunu no mu na PSG. I believe they might go back because they know so Ugarte will push with the presence of Ghana and all of these.
Okay, well, Mike, Bray.
Fancy me that say Anthony Amirati's story now, you know.
Aye.
One year fair to the boy.
Say.
I was saying how the count say, sir, na de na koyi ba ne to.
Na de be nipa bi no wa
ne penis.
Afi na okasa.
Na de ne kote. Koyi ba ne to ho no. Sadia na na ba benyeska $250,000. I think how they count.
Me as a time. One
story na.
Omo ye semi-finals for the pole vote final. No, so in the descending order. Ana ne crotch. Omo abrofone friend crotch. Into no crotch no at dislodge the pole a bano.
Now why do it me bad? Yeah, when you
dislodgement of the bar by the crotch of Anthony Amirati. Oh, you know. Say I didn't know so.
It mean you don't get
oh, a bolo.
Say bono. Ana shadow I can send video na to so na radio. Wa wi o. So na ko share ho.
So me say oh, ehukiwa.
Wait,
zip forward the pen. Zip. E be forward the pen.
E kick me. Enti yi ade ne to but onim Cam Soda. Omo visit adult websites no. Cam Soda kan. Omo penny back we say omo man $250,000 just for him to display the man a hood for 60 minutes. Omo the camera is so no twa no me into and the bar be no so he's free to display it. Omo tia 200
years I didn't say I will sue you.
Oh yeah, dangling. I found the dang. You found the
same can also at that time no bolo no was
bolo dangle. It was dangling in his hands. Yeah, it was dangling in his pants. It was beautiful.
When there's a second no she angetwa no.
When I make a quick.
Think about this I see.
It's a carrot.
Think about this I see you.
O adugu so atepa be kwa ne twaso and kwa wind the crab. So Anthony Amirati on so there no. It's a sad development but and also you ne pie obia ne kwan of first one din pie and he will get money if he wants to channel his man displaying abilities at the alcohol no but emfa to football and the football home come on. Liverpool pen number 6.
Yeah,
and they will not sign in the Premier League. I'm office now limited kakra. And ka number 6 na the first place me koye final. Matt Wither, but Brighton for Akofano. And the profile of a defensive midfielder, number 6 na Liverpool panel, they are not looking at the Fabinho prototype, or more pair somebody who is more of an orchestrator. To set Thiago Alcantara the NB. And to a pair destroyer, they need a composer. And that is the issue. And to profile be or more pavia. So yen try see yourself cast your mind across. Yen she. Where the yet na habo yetrim. Oko Spainer, composer Bakwa, who is available. Martins will be Mendy. True or false?
True.
Good. Yanko Germany. Another composer would definitely be Joshua Kimmich. True or false? Sad two way, they easily come to mind. If we still want to limit it to Feyenoord, there is a rookie. A good. I want to believe the market for Liverpool in getting that number 6 normal panel to either deputize Ayer McAllister will likely come from the Dutch Eredivisie, the Spanish La Liga, or the German Bundesliga. Sa leagues me and some way no. And no na memo GDA kesiye wom say Liverpool befa omo number 6 in the free. So let's watch out and let's see what happens. Now coach ne person or share players no do na no during the preseason. Now on returning before they play against Sevilla, there will likely be developments a bit trickling fast and quick near how things will go. But still on football, France or more a year under 23 team are qualified for their first ever Olympic Games final since 1984. 1984, Los Angeles in the host the Olympic Games. Now France made the final and they won. Since then, Omunya Olympic gold ewa memano football event. Enra, it was a game where France had to negotiate that win, kindness, courtesy, or individual brilliance, and also the undoings of the Egyptian team Nankasa. Let me start with France or individual brilliance. I am not against Thierry Henry, but I think his level of coaching there will form.
Oh, so
yeah, I'm advising. He's made the final. He might win them the gold, but I think after here, Henry should reconsider. So coaching Nankasa no pesoye, and now he will play an efficient role as a sporting director, scout, technical director. I think Sanunu suiting more. He improves players, but he doesn't really improve teams in terms of the level of coaching. And the players, they basically come. Or people say they make kind of confusing. Or improve players, they say they improve team. No, true. But when you are playing a game, you are looking for in-game management in the end. Egypt coach Nebron of Mfram. Nan Tokwano Susain the cra. But it took the individual quality. I want the French team to rise up to the occasion and truly did manifest. And 2 players from Crystal Palace, 1 Michael Olise, 2 Jean-Philippe Mateta. They were the ones who transformed the fortunes of the French side. If you are looking for the protagonist or more engineer France or more victory where from Omankas or more team, no, it would be Michael Olise and then also Jean-Philippe Mateta. To date, 2 different outcomes. What is the story of Mateta? Fancy, 23rd April 2017, it was the same stadium, the Olympic Lyon
Sompa
Stadium, and the friend of Groupama Stadium. Jean-Philippe Mateta played his last game in the French Liga for Olympique Lyonnais. Game number 76 minutes. Ye uniform ni Bruno under Bruno Hennessy. Bruno Hennessy obeye Jumano. He was basically playing a 3-5-2. Now Fena Mateta so Johnny Omokane. In his entire Olympic Lyon history, Mateta bought 3 matches per. In the Ligue 1, French Ligue 1, time Mateta spent there with Lyon. 2 games, 90 minutes per. 2 games combined, 86 minutes. He was seen as a big flop. Ewo Lyon. So stadium when nye stadium when nya enmunyam ewo ho.
Anke from
huro disgrace shame. 23rd April 2017. No munya sa sese akowe de wasa ye tono amanako. And right the 5th of August 2024. The same Mateta, but this time returning with some years older, with more experience. Enra, he was hailed as the main man of the show. Abra ushered 2 goals to help France to their final for the first time since 1984. So 2 different dates, 2 different outcomes. One brought shame. The other one brought glory and then fame. And then the Apija Mateta de Nakonim. One, the trust that Henry has in him. But also, form of far free Crystal Palace. It has also propelled him to this level. Oliver Glass in a Juma no, as soon as one of France for Ninyebi.
Yes.
He polished him. Or the Nyoma Bakumi and Sebi Kikama Teta home and a fire. And then Nipa Bakono see responsible for Mateta and the form and see Michael Olise. And then God being so good. They parachuted them from Crystal Palace to France under 23. Mbappe by tournament we be anka we mu mienu nko mu nya shine no.
Yes.
If Mbappe had came, he would have been the main man. Entin kebi anka Mateta crank here mfre no. So baby say no na baby ye. Mbappe's absence, it has paved way for Mateta to finally be crowned with glory at the Olympic Lyon Stadium, the stadium that brought him shame in April 2017. 2 different dates, 2 different outcomes. But he has worked hard for this. One tnasia amfane sansheni demri fem. One tnasia nyei wakikane ho. After Lyon, he went to Germany. From Germany, he came to England. He has forcefully made his way to where he is now. Mbappe Mobile Omode was senior level. He is overage there, but at the 23 level, Mateta is earning his respect. And currently, he's one of the top scorers for competition.
Yes.
Oye, Sofiane Freeman. Sofiane was 6 goals. He is there. 4 goals. Omumi combined. Olise and Mateta, 10 goals for France. And right, they considered their first goal in the competition. But these guys were able to build them out. And now, aside the individual brilliance, I think they for so they be. A poor attitude let them down. Fancy Oko major tournament and especially with crucial stages say I was a BIS spot on I was a BIS spot on in terms of one your attitude, how you conduct yourself for the entire 90 minutes. And they really handle the French team. Men can't find that out. Especially in the first half. Or more handle France for the ball. Then I don't know what happened. They started losing their head. Yeah, G infringement, nakasa complain. Almost share one go we also then the typical North African style. Almost starting retreating defending, delaying time unnecessarily. If they had decided to play toe-to-toe with France for the 90 minutes, they would have beaten them by 2. Commercial France for no. Almost share go we are no and at a point in time, the coach was even frustrated. And coach in the G yellow card, then the players also started. The guy who had the red card, Omar Fayed, the first yellow card for instance.
Sompa
I don't know any referee could
yes, yellow card.
Then it let the team down. I think say one of the fundamental we are. And my Africa teams in the major tournament, I ain't me more home day. And yes, you need talent, no. Your talent nibi. But how we are able to execute to the finish, no problem. You bet me a chance, ye. You be na bibi Guinea at this competition. Obebo bo ni na near the kitu we near the asheno. Then they lose their heads. Mali the same. I think that Sanyo man yam fan kan ye game ne ho a ebe di enya ebe me akechire. Lastly with Spain. I think that Spain for ne ya de be adwen ko so. Omo man ne betimi akọ final, member betimi akọ final. Potentially, a man ne ko final. Potentially they can win gold and then cement football legacy. A manager BBA, how is this possible? It's a country with a vision. So the football net now. Spain heroes, good. The number of players or mobile heroes in the moment, Unai Simon was their goalkeeper. Marco Cucurella, no ball. Martin Zubimendi, never replace Rodri, no boy. Dani Olmo, Mikel Oyarzabal, Darius Pedri, Mikel Merino. These were players almost part of Spain, almost 2020. A year Olympic game squad called D second against Brazil. A year progressional plan.
Experience
now, so unya yes idea we are. It paves the way for you to enter the senior team proper. Fermin Lopez. It looks like a summer boy. So last summer no initia. Obe Madrid for then Obe GD summer way so he has really become the main man for Spain and is leading them to a potential good. I think that Obia won a time or the shiny. Odiabeba winter. But for Fermin Lopez, it's casting iron. So the time of the shine, no, it is always in the summer.
Whoa, Mike, may I see Mr. Bodu? Apostle.
Next Lewandowski. Fancy Bogodi.
Nyame adom pass of we dey. Hey, I've got okay to ranking say Femi Lopez no Bobo Chen, Federico Valverde, Sompa Sports.
Brazil for no basketball.
Basketball na.
Momunyai bo.
US from there many abremum there.
Eja afi Olympics.
No allow Sergio gold no. Brazil.
Yes, he's always fighting them, so it'll be very interesting. Fancy. Bibi Aboko and the man does me so I mean try say me and
they me only pa.
And see where your friend is say quick one, there's not a big interview so quick one. Shadrach, Mami 1980 Moscow Olympic 100-meter finals. And so what happened near Oshe SCS, so 1980, so you have Alan Wells and then Silvio Leonard of Cuba. Alan Wells, a Great British. Now the difference is that way was 75 millimeters, but Nyampesa changed that the photo finish of this nature happened before. So between the two, it was very fierce, very tight. Now my interest is look at the finishing. So on Tatan track 1980, very close. So watch it on the screen. Not sure how between Alan Wells and Sylvia Bernard, you see. Very close, very tight. That is what 100-meter gives you. Now, Mami Noah last time after the warm-up track or bar track no so. Shadrach Mami who say Obiani or no a showman. Obiani is no city. Now he is a showman or you be a or can't send Janenum or Janenum so person. That's what you see both stood for. You see about Koye. There's no other athlete worth stepping in to the showmanship. Maurice Green tired, but that Maurice Green didn't more of a galley. No, anyway, when he was pumping the crowd,
at time I last by
us. I'm free.
Was a number to
yes.
Yeah. Wouldn't say the answer.
So, Shadrach, this is not this one. I said when off warm-up track now, the athletes almost warm-up track no more bar. Before the light was even dim, he did that. Before the light was put off, and then the introduction. If he's not gotten that fine, no problem. But the point is that Obi said at least or yes had to give himself a lot of confidence. Okay. So he did that to make sure so I got confident. Now, Shadrach, you pay attention to what I'm telling you. I want the introduction. Introduction of Noah Lyles, his reaction, introduction of Kishan Thompson's reaction, and Fred Kelly. So you realize that when he was introduced, he went through the track a bit and then came back. Fred Kelly, the other day, was now Kishan Thompson, he roared. And so Obiani, intrinsically, Obiani how or reacted to send him on, I prepare no for a takeoff. Obiani, now to the race. First 40 minutes, like I indicated to you, pause it. Now I saw TS say for somebody like Noah Lyles, is always a poor starter from the blocks. And the problem I want to know, which you need to improve anyway, because sometimes it will be difficult for you to be. Now, so you watch first those 20 meters, so 30 meters, then 40 meters, hold it there. Our 40 meters no allows one. Ori. Hey. At 40 meters, Ori. And that is the danger of a slow start. But because of a good transition, good coordination near acceleration, and good power strikes, that is him. So from here, from 60 meters second, now he started from the 50-meter trans. Now from 60 meters second, he was making 43.6 kilometers per hour. That is deadly. That's how deadly he is. And Kishan Thompson, he starts from the blocks well, but he has a problem with midsection transition, and he also ends well. Now that problem was what then Emma Noah Ebemuno. Because a hono, baby, or slow down kakra. That's how he ran his race. Who show more try that or start ye no a gum kakra no a ye. So they are here. And the baby all gum kakra no. And I know Allah say we more. Aha. And so neck to neck. Because be gum no be the system meter no be then now he was going all out. But even crap or the
about some race there still amount for question marks on
no. Wait, you watch it.
Okay.
Shall we?
Okay.
Wait. This is the best one. Our question said in
lane 8 and lane 1.
No, Lowell is lane 7. Lane 7, Thompson lane 4, Frekel lane 3. You watch it. It's going. It's like Munya Butre.
So Thompson.
That's it. Check his speed. And then check his chest, any foot. Check his chest, any foot. Any torso.
What a shark sound coach, man.
Umbra we in about 3 seconds. Check your last again. At 40.6 kilometers per hour.
Yes.
Then he will shoot beyond Womo. Halfway through.
Halfway through. Yeah.
Exactly. And
that is at 50 meters.
Into our top speed at 50 meters.
At 50 meters.
43.5 kilometers per hour. I don't know the best power.
I don't know the way.
And to both allows any Thompson, but allows the pim the finishing like Thompson.
That is why I'm asking you that at the end of the day, whose chest, and this athletics, please, whose chest went out first?
Laos.
This athletics, please. So, controversy. That is what you are saying. Oh, yes, his chest went out first. That's athletics. It's a technique. That's why Kishan essay is an experience you learn bitterly.
Exactly.
Debbie.
And also the first Olympics.
This is Debbie. We're 27 years. She's 20. Oh no, I feel Akola. What do I say? So, but the most important thing in all this is that I am happy that Akose. Look, now watch this. So I like this video. At this point, he was congratulating Kishan Thompson that you've made a dude. You've made a dude, bro. You made a dude. Because Onwankasa engine did say he's won the race.
Yes.
What do you say? So at that point, he's congratulating him already. This one.
Thinking say be on no moment or so
second. Until you're done. Before the screen. And then no alas, Sunday man and Kamasa or Packers. But that's good for a young, talented young man. Several Obliquement were there before this young man. He just popped up on Jamaican trials to do it. And Jamaican time made 9.77. He's the best time. Now, one good thing about this race, which at just 100 meters and Cedar in 100 meters, at the time, the photo finish closeness. To share, we 5,000 of seconds. I mean, 9.84. That's 9.74, and then you realize 9.7989. And then the third place, Fred Kelly, 9.81. Don't forget, Fred Kelly won silver last Olympic. 9.81. Then you have Akane Simino. Who's the dynamic Akane Simino? Akane Simino, South Africa, 9.82. Now come to the defending champion, Lamont Marcel Jacobs of Italy, 9.85. Then you go to Le Chile Tebogo. Remember, says Ademica, Le Chile Tebogo, the fact somebody is second against Noah Last or Budapest last year, the boy has shown a certain sign. Senor Nusu slow starter, he would have done better than this. Yeah. He recovery of 0.17, it didn't help him. Aha. And all these 6. Then she had Kenny Bedrick, 9.80. You realize that the two Africans have done even better than someone like Kenny Bedrick. This is his second Olympic.
Yes.
And Seville Oblique and every year, 9.91. So there's no 100-meter race in the world that is so tight and closer to this. The photo finish is so exceptional, extreme, very, very tight. And it speaks volume for how far they've come. Great work, Noah Last. 1 for 200, no 4x100, no count. Let's see how it's going. Now the women one. Now, but one thing before I met to us, one thing so you're clear with her. The American 20 years goes from 2000. Justin Garley winning, Francis Obikolo was second. What do you say? They've now exercised the ghost of that 2004 because Usain Bolt step into it and Usain Bolt did 1, 2, 3. Usain Bolt did 2008, 2012, 2016. Udi has a 1, 2, 3 before Marcel Jacob. So the American, but the Emmanuel Julian Alvarez, solid top class girl. Listen, this girl is not cheap. She won the NCAA in the whole US in Texas University 3 times. After the Junior Olympics in Buenos Aires. So, and yes, I say saying, and once again, because of Hendrik Foran, his coach, who discovered Junior Olympics, and at 2019, he took over and what transformed, who check his semi-final. She had the best time, 10.84. So the 10.7, and yeah, it's not a joke, it's not a fluke. But check what. This, yes, St. Lucia, they are 180,000 population, 180,000. But the investment into her. Now, Shakari, Mami, June trials, US Olympic trials this year. Mami, 1 minute. So watch this, it's important. Shakari is a poor starter. And raceway, she won by 10.88. And it's the same problem she brought. She don't improve the same. No. And for Julian, she start from the blocks early because of the trainer. And at last, me can't say much else. The young athletes are going to the US to compete with them. So the more they are competing with them and the top trainers, they'll get to know almost strength and weakness. So now, that is what the Jamaicans have done. Yes. So this one, we know none starts no enye, but because she didn't have top class competitors like Julian Alvarez.
Okay.
What do you say? That was the reason.
Whoa. Mate Apostle me that say ye bani aba be come real quick. Nemum the luckiest drawn ebeba so my catch say wo fa phone and phone any network I was no say obe dial star 712 hash no ajo take it. Obe take it as an individual. Afei obetimi aye obetimi aka association san ho ana simple communities no mo so mutimi je mo take it. Ewa bra take it no from 1 Ghana equity 5,000 Ghana cedis. Also obetimi ato odian watching grand draw. Na nyame adama grand draw no ebeba so eno enso the month of November na sa grand draw no eno enso baso ni nyina no star 712 hash ana chese onso obedale na fe odon hwahye no aju take it ama sika sem no enso etimi agina brand ebema sika sem aye kama grand draw ne baso sika em se ba na yesika ketwa kra 30th November ana grand draw enso baso anti juniors out keep fit clubs afi James Center sane mo mobile table tennis mo matiti kuo ne fan clubs no mutimi kabo mu take it boys mon kamo mon solicit na afi mon mu take it na mon fa mon she the luckiest aye draw jumedi no mesan say luck there everywhere just toothpaste yas toothbrush enom na re choose yanopa wo re choose enyumra yo just total care esan say eno won ye kan say elbow se no brand into na beboa be care ama chese kakane sane mani nyina no eno enso agya ye just white and na boa ema oseno so fita kama ana just ayade se herb no so no eno ayade se natural herbs ewom and it is so the brush tita boa ema chese herbs no emonum eyehwam ema ogam enya hodem a woseno enso nya na hodem pa enya na ewodwa so just toothpaste just toothbrush no dodo bia wo penny types ni nyina no ebi enso ewom enya na ewodwa so pebito now so fa choose na mo man so nye kama enso enfama opening na bibia find there
one opening
ye ne aye police near draw in booster ba mesha
abi opening
okay to na bibia there
me nyo ketwa nso bomidin amo
ne ohone ho
Kennedy
amo na ho ye there
Kennedy boko na nso
boko amo ho twemedi premier no.
Oh yeah, man.
Is a menu ni BM o mu asma me buy.
Me you know life. Me you know life.
Me fa ho baako say.
Me you know life is always magic.
Oh, na chief inspector ba dia o. Na dog ho ye de.
Oh, nyame adum dog ho ye.
Nice.
Sounds about God here.
Oh, nyame anu go yegu so. In boost pharmacy.
Of course, in boost pharmacy.
Yes.
You too know. No bia o bibia yo me ta na shazia na.
Ah, da kra.
Yeah, the intro contract. I'm in selling coffee.
100 meters now quite as arrow. It also your who same boat.
Yeah, Imus Pharmacy. In fact, Dr. Adaroma, Bibia Koboko, and Ubia Abba Ubia Befed Rubians with the others say Ampa. No bonny a day, form. Then I know we met last week, I'm on for Frepa. Nano Mufisi Bia, a groby. G or no Bia Frezo, Mewo Tamale, no jealous, no. Omoje no mabo modru no modo ma dia yede e dia mom we na hu hia se e bia wo tamale wo boko o tumu o na vrongo o wale o salaga o mamprusi
lord feno kwat me the tone no be count
yes the bia wo bia no the yan say o de obe friend number no o friend number na no mabo modin ayede ajo orders no omoje o list na no ma wo di usika ma wo mo obe send usika na yede ama wo mo to send ya bury omo yes received what I say into receive no kama na for won say omo do wadru na yede e dia bro akwa mane wo ha na won say yede aka wadru no nti eno ye input pharmacy no ya orthodox medicine abrofudru no enya bibidro nko an ena bibidro no ya bibidro bi onye input no nko an yede ye supply wo input pharmacy wono no abrofudru bi a wo pe bia UK brand China brand omo ye dro bia wa monani bia
unim din bia
itaja tum se e bagana ha bia unim din bia de o de an se obede obefra input pharmacy for na no matwetwe nkomo e ku kra bo ne de madiga ga jeze we no nye mfaso ne ye kakra because ono wakọ no wakofa nti ono no de open no de atoso e na ono no se onfa bebrebe nya de entoso o de kakra bi peso na ide e de atoso enti no kire wo se doctor no oju obi a ho pese adwuma no employment ne ebuo ne emeye unemployment bia enti me se omo ko supply no se bia wo abie wo pharmacy wo tu nro ne mo wo de ne se wo de ko supply wo se wo kwa abetofu o be maintenance o be yewe eno na doctor se wo bra
cry isi be dede sa honsu yi e be wiase na battery crash
asai wo hu na eyeka wo nam kra ne nkofu ise chichew to 10 to 20 to say one to as no mo di ko si onu ma waso ayehye what I say 1 million
ma me pharmacy number no here pa because of 246 mo be say mo tuno no pharmacy Inboost pharmacy aye wholesale nkwa yes
wholesale nkwa
yankwe
numbers you go screen so uti radio na aye 0246
20
8496 0246
20
8496 baby a wo bia wo kumasi a wo bie pharmacy wo bie over the counter and a drug store herbal shop herbal sin nyina bi wo ho
oh yeah
herbal bia wo de wati din bia no wo de answer wo baby
say ho no nyese bia police ne adum kwa de wo de herbal dro bia wati bia wo pe bi atu aton
bia no wo ba ho a sabiti mai akabi ya wo ye okode offenso kwano so offenso he ya nti ye ho no ye fra okode ye ben Wesley Methodist Church ye ne din hwehwe ani mu wa very nice place what you see nti wo ba ho no na wo de amesi wuntimi mba en ha ho frɛ number no fra ye bejo order no ma bo adro ndi ayde e di abrom nti Inboost pharmacy de ya ba se bia binensa be de be kona no yaw quick one Inboost herbal mixture adro ni nie
onim ne honda
yes adro we say e na obi a wonum bia di adanse se e powerful e marvelous e fantastic e orchestrating but last keti what you brought from kind of say okay no problem say usuku sam num say this apostle kotwa so kaka ko table of we pa me kind dia this apostle no problem also the kokaka diaw de hian say obepedre bi a chi akwan no wano no bia de ato aso edo ya nom to aso ana ya anya ma yare fo nko a enye omo yare nko a na simi ko no mi bu so say ya sesa trend no wona awo Twitter mo kan say X trend ya sesa no kan no na won say wo yare ansa no akọ no modu
yes
because won yare no obi mu odu an we abebo na so yare o de do me ba ya sesa no say won yare anomaduro because wo be sori ahomache wo be sori anadwo de suomu wo nante wo kwa ha wo ba ha ni nyina kire say wonu aduro na ema immune system ni nya ahoden enti na Inboost no da so kozo agini din because omo nyare nom no omo nyare omo na nom na yaduro ni mo
onom nso be yu yare aba
of course so obi on ma e bi asbe o mi ho den me be 1 year ni me nyare be 2 years ni me nyare eno na se wonya imbu se ba me se ne drone bi na no nom to so afi obo se yare bi asi onipadua na akoyi na yede aba e ba sa me nsuro numaduro ni yede eto aso enti obi on numaduro ni to aso bia afi obo se do kama se wo na mo ntwere hu sei na mo ntwere hu sei enya ntwere ni ne hia dero na ye bone ne se yare bi ate onipadua so ache ye mebobo yare bi adin yare kan yare aya unim yare yare na ye bebrebe yare bia ate onipadua so ache na wonom adura enko no yaw eno na won saka imbusa komo ye ne unim komo 0246
0246 20 84 96 0246 20 84 96
yaw ye tiense aka 1 minute esre imusi ye ni adofufuro bi aka ho ye ni capsules ye ni ointment ena ye ni powder bi a ye de gu ye ketremase
ebi wo anka maka
ka ya kada dada
enti aduro no ye mixture no
nko ye mfa afufuro bi
obi ma capsules bi anu ma wa wasem wa
ye mfa afufuro bi anye de emai ye de fufuro ba mo beti ye nka enti ye sre se pedro ni binom na emoa nka se me yale obi be fro na nne me yale da bi pebinom na emoa oni pedua ba sa obenya hoden ye pa ya on that note too sweet fashion and any birthday watch makofodia ma me ncha ni pa na ya me amere Mrs Esther Mufa enenso ya me birthday mene de
oh nice
me bia na me ye ni cool kamitimi asende ama na de atoso bat say me nya ne sa di
oyema private person no
oh yeah private person pa sa de boy so ngushia no dwom no ageze abofa na no mu ne se
so pa kire kalo
no wasam no ya
oh mate amof yes enti police near draw in booster ba mixture and afa in boost pharmacy monko na monko tumunro no abrofo no ne bibidro ni nyina na monko na mokokutua ya bofo kwan so kra obekọ no akwa akoton emfa so ni nyina ya wa jaba bia wo Ghana mamu bia akwa onsa enso ebeka be ya hwese ya betimi akwa ma no so na ya dinkomo real quick na afa we ya interview ano shepa anti stick statement ko bia ya bane aba be dinkomo de free no mom wo ye mfa na asenso fama bafu polo yes bafu polo ntade no bomodi an African print to be pebi enso ahye mane memanyina no modie enso ewom a chese odwu kama ye nkwa ma no so no anse ba na ya ba beto aso e de free na verse so ho ye de
oh fancy nyame adom na onzo
boko we a grand interview one kasa na be so ye intro eye bibibia
Ndi yane doctor nsentwe na di nkomo so ka samatesa animpa on ne da no tototo nioma ama bibia enso atimi akoyi pa nto nam ne no edi nkomo na no pai doctor pa che mo akwa ba Sompa TV Sompa FM na no pai na boss bibia ye fine there
Winnie onyanko adom
yeda nyame ase boss na weekends ye hu de we anomasi koye e osamo aboye ni giade baaye omo ton ni omo enso edi dwa bia na ni gie enso atimi aba eden kra ne kofa nsenche cap yi baaye
yo minya memfa ofide kesi so na mentia asante mai especially otiko na mentia bia utie me e wo sympathy adokwai nyina yo this year is the century cup there no hoda data so for some matters football club only one of our departments but the corporate and our core business na nkata no process inti over the years the much bia na ya union ni workers Bobo departmental games edition nyam now you one of our departments which is the football club no again promotion eco premier club and I premier status no and I'm paying for that CBM said on the elevate tournament from a mere departmental competition to a premier club, no more invited under premier club. So about the joy. Until Oshia started the first season, you have promotion, a call Premier League. You know, be there, but she one class. by a second year, you be it was 3 premiership clubs and a hosting the summer. The second time, and yes, I will be because you can see we choose a tournament, as part of Team BR preseason preparation towards tournament BR, especially the league. Pacho, as I say, tournament. It's here.
The doctor say, where 2024 there now, ube routine saying ya bana we no.
2024 there no. In terms of organization, not a far better last year. Because last year, say, in 2 of my money, I'm more matches and the same year, you don't know. Not parking in your crowd because you're born in an institute. But we had this season, when you come a very good weather. In T, Bibia Koye, we had last season, our Kakreba, Obiania break. Nothing officials in EB or money break, but this year it was much better than last year.
Doctor, in himself, tournament, I hope be a back room, but so almost sustain a problem. In person will be a D, but you are near ball a day, and my teams no prepare Cobo African, no, but it's a question who saw a tournament, How? And now when on crop for yesterday, be beautiful sustaining Century Cup.
I'm saying, a man working. Open source sustaining tournament here. The logistics and the financial inputs are very, very high. In 2 years, over the years, for sponsorship. This year, say, there were 4 additional sponsors. MCB Club by year donation. Whilst the tournament was going on, there were 4 additional sponsors. Going forward, a normal mediation to our community see a tournament today. Until we have an LOC, of course, that LOC will not change, but your local ones, they will continue to work towards the next tournament. By seeking for sponsors. If you look about board, they want to be sponsors, but for some reason, it means for feed cases and pay. We are looking for sponsors because come future tournament, right? We want to extend the numbers from 4 to 6, 6 to 8. And even we have plans to say, we invite other teams within our sub-region. I'm also about
Doctor, interesting. We are sure say we have a person about we see a kind of tournament we are see because the kind of games I are what tournament we are see no unya bi pre-season preparation bi a wo yemu na more some benya sponsors na more expanding teams no is it o say a bi a foreign teams ni betimi aba yen kotoko yen hearts betimi aba because no na man for edin komosa say mo ya mo fa teams ni mienu enka ho mo hwese mbenyu mo be ka ho na mo stand na maba na
o minya yenye discriminatory from the first season now yeba premier league we have extended our invitation all the clubs but normally no because they are ready to another tournament. And Ninti and then Marcos has enjoyed it. But definitely they'll be on board. You're not very discriminated. But the reasons that came on board was after they had equally as good assignments and now say not only ready to participate in such a tournament. Indeed, we will have either house on board in our future.
Now, is there a possibility to see a foreign club is a account Century Cup one?
Definitely, that's one of my objectives. Saying that successive tournament, we will bring one of the club region, either to go in or to come and participate.
Okay. Ndi no ne said the normal sequence and I'm sure some person baby see aka. Na doctor, oh where summer test team no. You say you ko Africa near the African komo. Oh where summer test team no. Say na besi for access team no aka say that me team yi are you ready for the Africa competition?
You mean and for one coaching course they will COVID. The only thing I say to them check. I make my mouth Texas people to do that. But I can assure you, sir, recruitment now where I come on. So, of more than now, or more in terms of their therapeutic movement. What makes me
Transfers a course yi ewomsa unko coaching course that there but what you can kasa onim hwe transfers a buy e be kan summer test team ne ho no transfers a be kasa we okay with the transfer na mo pe ba ku mienu bi a o man timi a be kan summer test team no going to Africa.
Oh, I think that a technical team will be that position. I can assure you that we had done some stuff whilst the league was going because somewhere after 24, we knew definitely that we were going to win the league. So we had already started up. But then you are in recruitment. Sometimes you want your first player, and then you go for B, and I said the C. And I believe, having a meeting with the technical team, they can work with the viewers are there. It might take some time for them to gel, because it's not so easy. Player be a you get your best performance. It will take some time. But I'm sure so more games before our first, they are going to do very optimistic.
Doctor, you how our Africa Sikano emunsa nsem na din expensive. Ya wonse mo J trophy no ma coffee kesim president hall mo call parliament house na ade. Mimusa say sign up preparation ni ko in terms of omo mba sponsor summer test no ma kwa Africa no ma ko ni
I put a fundraising committee in charge of African campaign. And be of especially a corporate is made as a problem. I know the problem. Your core parliament, they also made up problems. I'm sure it took. I met some fundraising. Some money have started. I'm sure said by next week, Samia can tell you exactly stuff. But there's certain things that already done. The tickets have been already paid for it. We are still making it towards our way, some logistics. Yeah, those things are ongoing. I don't mean Sana. Why? So our preparations are good. You know, because a team will be tournament and they'll be going to Thursday to go play one friendly to go and stand up about back. The preparations Kakrabia will be
Dr. Mamuza say yehu say media makoko bobo ni yie Dreams FC koko bobo ni yie e wom say Samatters a team foforo Dreams e koyama omo da opportunity to go and perform media me kono yama so mo kwa perform me Musa say Samatters kwa participate and as omo kwa make impact to Africa say the teams yi mienu call last time no
media I say football leader it will always depend on the opposition and how well you prepare. And the football is really you can hear me very well. Say, that is our prime of. But it means for dream and now say Yamadiano benchmarks because they were different teams and they were different. I assure you, sir, we are making all frantic. We are preparing ourselves very well to make sure that we just don't want to fight. We tell me, my grantee, even during the coronation, when you're ready, I told everybody we are going to make it. I can assure you, that is the objective. We don't want to just go and practice. We want to make the impact. But as to whether our expectations be met in the this one,
Dr. Abidjam wa call me say no be brave our desk so our no watimi solve ni na. Ma me say yeah koi then I will catch some boy for some test fans and Ghana food na because Africa na dey Ghana mamu na mokwa akodi ntia some ben and I will catch fans are omo enso he some test anim e Africa mu.
Onye that's far. They make catch especially some test well wishes. The media, the football family. Be on top of football, so among people in DHC, material support. There is nothing so small. It is a big tournament. And I hear you can say Ghana demon so among moral support, financial support, spiritual. Yeah, with the best. Yeah, no. Among support here. Your court, Cameroon, Sompa, here the boy home team now. The return match, I expect for will come in to support Sama so that Ghana will be there at the end of the day.
Dr. Nanope, ye ne yashefo ni atiefo ni obi biara utie Sompa het Sompa no ye ka se nyame nsha na ye da wase wa kwanye Nanope won so da ma en so wo ye ndwumadi so.
Mini announcement about the big platform. Mama mi sa akunya no. Na media bo Sama test with the massive.
Fancy.
Yes, Dr. Richard in Century. Nyame adom ne hoto no pa o okay pa bonzo was abre no ase. What am I say? So dan as say bia for the time no so da was so man amay na yom. So what am I say? Aha, until there.
Shot na no na musemfo no bi.
Ai.
When bottom pa
no pa nyame fine. Wow, yen kwe break na me ba na ya ba beto so ye kwa ba we enso a full time yen komra.
One me tell say wo ba no say wo Canada.
Oh, woko school.
Na yesi ejape aba no nso okọ na nso no de okoye adwuma.
Me say amanfo kwakọ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwa na de won kosa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa kwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say a visit. And now to also go Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa what they obeko. Say ya juma soa what they obeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRE, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. As for labor, runabout wa and crying. Kanachi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale, Teaching Hospital, Takrade, Market Circle, and our offices, our my bebre, so telephone 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan no akwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akra nufo enso enum bi Time HH Herbal Mixture. Wubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop dodo na mu.
So pedudo to a friend 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH Herbal Mixture. A yedro say FDA adje ejwadie nkratue atum.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Nina Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence bang? I don't need Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku a Ashford Princess and Obra could do the so a Ashford Galaxy. What the na ira no so a Ashford Evident. Media so a Ashford Executive and now my media no so a Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush card.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me ba do mi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na kofa be daso. Etu phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were so honey.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag it.
Brad, and not so good.
What time about Michelle and see about Queen? Why me say?
Brad, said your time about Mister. It's your Jimmy fearful, and not your back ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Brad, so make us a midi time about Mister One Dancia. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mister?
I never go, dear, no matter want to me any deal. What do any time about Mister? A drink, and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear, one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She said, walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziva, a woman. Even trap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to Namu. FDA Aji a judging cratoi at home.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako warning sushi yeti anopani anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ni Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Deni Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ni Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ni Abibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
so wallpapers papa OP wallpapers and American for amount so wallpapers at their decorative offices so fie and sorry say paps ahodo baby bia wo yan wallpaper de do djuma bia no OP wallpapers efro yama wallpapers ebe match blind curtains eba no bedside lamps nso a OP MR types or match shapes colors ahodo nyina ubenya bia to e wona so ye ho se open LED backlight e dey above flash screen e chia eno so OP ebe mo bi se open self ring light out phone be shem e OP wallpapers and ebe mo self ring light OP e wo Kumasi Adum first floor Nana Kwesi Ajman building name Tafo GNTC building first floor ana chronom or barrier on the market na edian hwe se open wholesale and answer retail any OP any nsa so free OP our 0540 353750.
The mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yedwumadi a yedi ane say yebesiesi wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ati anase wosen animonyam so afa ntuma pa efi wo fixed one no anase a yetafre no permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba your profession no na your friend is killing and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu say bi okasa etimi ma pampan ene ade ebamu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down do mekwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ne OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed na udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na ya bron sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joda kopem eda memeda witimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
me dem abreka afei na me be twema ne me ya wansa na makofi akrofo kwa ha dwuma area ha toto eno kre na wo kan no me de misu kra se nsuo beto ne senke beda ha o ye beda ha enne ye just si birthday se me kodwam kodija na me be ne aduane ma no hello
sisi ukunu birthday ni se e ba so me de mani ato aduane ne so me need the whole day e ba me difufuo
madam I sense fiti anopa me sinye masa afei na me twen amanawo me wi amakodwam akodija ma brekra
wuti wi asi unim se high sense washing machine and na ye ukunu special day or the aduane for party na nyumre na bra showroom asesi ana me nkyere WhatsApp
menya idea no me va sesi hey madam I sense
sisi what bantamo
I don't traffic be anymore na that was saying
me see we any series 5 smart washing machine wa me can WhatsApp washing machine no a won esi niema emro temperature this no ekumu amon kitinkitin nyina afi niema nim amani da hoye kroje series 5 we dia edene ho nti afim be mu eno ayi pie emma na siesie enya den si woniema no na dwene wanyinam kanea ho nti enwa kanea ka wotumi programme S5 smart washing machine say enkekaye bi wontade ani ne beyi ni nyina kama washing machine programming na wotumi ya no smartphone so
hey madam I sense wo dia de pesie mi o mama me ba ko
na ma ododo high sense series 5 smart washing machine ebesi echimu a dry in temper.
Kind of way, tell you so the more money promo now.
Obia pesika, now so dear party pesika. Sika bebre. For who don't tell you more money promo, then disika, now send disika bebre. For who chimubi, air free, Niabayani said, do credits and our data. Then ya kunya di 1 million Ghana cedis. Which sika pudu on Ankasa. Then na washubia, ye bet cheska. Now go and query, no, na ya 3 million Ghana cedis. And Snaho, that is staff of an hash. And now send win call 500. And now for Telesol play up no, so now for who chimubi. And for no reload no. Now do who jina and what's in Disika or Telesol more money promo. Cause swallow Disika a millionaire.
Telesol. Connecting energies.
It's a crack down on Sandra to any Lamont Caritas lottery platform no so.
Enipa baako pɛ ɛna pɛm adeɛ hyɛ wo a obia hyia wo a wɔsan hwɛ obie mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no wɔasua nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yɛ adwuma ɛnti sɛ ɔdwidwi style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhɔme bafo polo no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ bia ɛnti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts round neck shirts golf shirts v-neck shirts ɛne pii ɔpam atufoɔ bɛtu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques ɛnti sɛ wo so wonyɛ adwuma a bɛtu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma wo churches fan clubs schools unions ɛne ɛkɔ biaa mo hia dodoɔ no ɛde ma mo members no ɛne mo students no mo mmra mo nso a mopɛ Friday wear ɛde ama mo workers bafo polo ɛtwɛn mo ɔwɔ gold package ɛno ntade no ɛhyɛ mu aduo mu silver package ɛhyɛ mu dunum ɛna bronze ɛnso hyɛ mu du ɔyɛ delivery ɛkɔ ɔma mu afa na baabia bafo polo ntade no nso yɛhyɛ kɔ baabia na wɔpam mama ɛne mmarima nyinaa bafo polo ɛwɔ Kumasi ahenema kɔkɔben santase na ɔboase kwan no so telephone 0249 600 7
Go!
princess who turned her hard-earned stitches into a bundle of happiness. And now, here's to you. Your next big win is right here.
Luck is everywhere, for everyone. The luckiest.
Dial star 712 hash. Now join in the luckiest winning celebration. Every 1st July 2024. Over dial star 712 hash. Now I cost to ticket as a group, individual, and now even as a community. Now win is the car cashier. Prizes are cashier in the community draw or go for the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with star 712 hash. Now join in the winning streak now.
The luckiest.
Star 712 hash.
Luck is everywhere, for everyone, yeah. The
Sompa Sports.
Yes, yemre na fe yemfi breaking na yemedi nkubo. No. Yemre ne Jerinas Ahaba Center Empenfo and Kasada. I'm gonna day Jerinas about Mr. De Abedja so a drone was the same say a gin pa openina on where day.
Yankopado fancy.
Okay, dog was all beyond where day.
Yankopado,
okay. But come on, Kakre said no. The last time, son, I say. Almost as baby crowd to an aqua because beer to me.
And Yasan Kitua, beer, a drone was swat, they say, Ope, a drone, a bride in Tias, so. Yeah, to say, a day a draw, your friend Jelinas, a bar Misha, okay, a Jabba, okay, a T Diase, that much to say, I want bay or Soria campaign, so to sorry, Aqua Jumano, I ask him, Yanitina, and Opay, Jelinas, Yaba or some perfect so. Say enema pa na menam Dr. Jerry so na waso ehon da ye no on kan hye e wo say ye di pie na ye de boama apomuden mapa e ba ma obi bia no bia timinya anwoden sonko etimi kodi ne dwuma da bia da enu ntina Jerry Nas Herbal Center ya ba say ye di Jerry Nas Herbal Mesha e ba mu bia nom enya anwode asipi asita na duro no fancy winim idi ba ko pa ene abibidromu commando abibidromu last stopper anya sa wokonom toa mienu miensa ho wonom ba ko na wa wotenka se aduro no aye oni padua ni adwuma immune system na ano aye mbre watimi se wokọ adwuma ba unompemu twetwem gise ye de enkuto anase robu bi e masajo fancy wonom aduro no enkoka se yensa miamiame. Wow. Usipi esita. Enya sam kitwa. Drona no hye. Jerinas Heba Misha no. Iti amanfo empe adru akira kwan. Iti abase ye de adru beboa Ghana fo ene asanteman ni kumaseman. Iti obi otime nkan bia onfre number 0538 4844 11 friend number ya adroni do bia in cartons
si number ne so biem
0538
4844
fancy o pedroni do bia in cartons e dia call shop mu akwakotu aton a o friend number ya maame no wo aboabu o station honum e Tamale Kumasi station honum na e ho na ye maame na so ye adroni do bia eguo say tam se wo pe maako atu akoton se wo pe ni cartons wo freye maame number ya mebubo odin ya aduro no aye ma wo honum ti fancy de ka nyina ne se ya ba se ye de apomuden mapa ebre obia so betimi asore se wo sore ye no wo sore wante se enemi sisi ya me ya me honam ya me ya wo timi se wo sore a wo sore pabini mu oba wa sore oba mu be ma wa sore be ma mu eti obi bia wo timi nka na wo kwa adwuma na oba na bre ato ne so won pe Jelinas Herbal Mesha no akira kwan na wononom enkanka ye nuan mo mbo football no say what sports we so omo ball ko be ko training obeba na mazipu na ache no fancy onyado ya
wow
na how to atwa aduro no eye entrini enompem adwuma say yesi aduro no enye entrini ntompem adwuma de usa Jelinas Herbal Mesha ho de a na say mini ba bia wo pa ko biem
yo aduro no when one it menom
obia
obi bia timenom oba obemo akra starting from 7 years obia sa akra bi wo honum utimi se wonyini naposo no eye ne mre wonom ba akwa no pa ba akwa nwumre aduro no na ho odian na wode ekọ no
wow
and panyini so mienu anopa mienu anwumre wa ho odian na wokọ no unkọ adwuma ma ensa meti se metenka se me honam ba bi ya me ya efantini no mpemu de jerina se ba me hane de obia tutu america no ko pedro na kira kwan ba bia e ton no bia e wo komase mantemu ade wo de powura ho wo se wo pe aduro na ye frɛ no abibiduro mu commando
kaish
commando wo de say yesu ano say yes yakɔ commando foma fancy wo tudua na ɛdane kwa ho ɛdane kwa tin sɛ be ma pagya dua pabene no wɔde korɔ no eti sa ahoɔden no na aduro no ɛde mawo ama wɔdi udwuma da biara renta ama wɔdi akɔniabadie eti ɛkanfo Jerinas heba me shekira kwa yama so bia wɔteme nka sɛ wɔse ne honam tutu no honam mre sɛ eye slow na nansame no obi edi nkomo wɔso wadadam 8 good months driver ni o wadadam okunya accident
ana aka no
ene ka no fancy wadadam 8 good months was start sɛ wɔn no maduro no adansi a se wɔso wɔn a ɛbɛpɛ moto ne car na wɔn a so adane ne ho distributor
wow
enya asɛm ketwa wɔse de aduro na yama no enu ahodo a wanom agu ne nipadua mu no na wɔhyia yɛ duro no jerina sɛ ba me hya no sesei de na yɛ wɔ ne nipadua na ne sisi a nanka yɛ dan ne miamia na ne nyinaa wɔn watimi sɔle ɛfa bucket ekɔdwale ne bibia yɛ nɛ wɔn di adanse sɛ wɔn so bɛgye adwuma na si na bɛtire so akoto enuro no eti yɛ kanfo mo bibia sɛ obia ne sisi mu ɛyɛ ne yɛ hyehye no sɛ kanka office fo ya de biara da wɔte ne sisi so fancy saafo ne nyaduro na wɔba wie
obia wɔtena se kyɛ
bo so na ne nase ataatai na ne nase dududu wɔnom jeli nase ba me hyanechi wɔnom mienu anopa mienu anwumre de eye ne nyina vanish ne nyina bɛkɔ wɔhwɛ obi bɛka sɛ papa yi ɔhaha nani nanso so yenim ni ayɛka enuru aba na jerina sɛ ba me hyane de sɛ wo na wo se ade bi atena wo so akyɛ yare bi atetew ɛno adadim bɛkɔwu a anopa yi me kanfo aduro na ma sɛ pɛkyire aduro na kyira kwan ne kɔpi ebi nonom de ha wo ni padua mu nyinaa ni nyinaa bɛkɔ sɛ ɛyɛ malaria sɛ ɛyɛ typhoid sɛ ɛyɛ syphilis candidiasis stroke sɛ obi so wonya stroke na ne nsa wontimi maso ne nan wontimi maso ya no de me bɔ me nsɛm hia stroke ya tenete aduro no ɛbɛyɛ wo mu adwuma sonko koraa slade ade da wo mu na emogya akroto veins no enya kwan ani afurusane no fancy wonum aduro no a ɛnane mogya no ɛnane saadeɛ no ama mfifirafuru ama wɔwa mu sɛ ampa wɔhyia aduro yɛno ti na aduro yɛ fɛ no abibiduro mu commando
serious
aduro yi wokɔ ashtown gegard heba ni dosopo ɛwɔ hɔ ashtown main street mu wɔnom na ebi wɔ hɔ then heba emrom ebi nso so ɛwɔ hɔ wokɔ misty heba wɔno nso so ɛwɔ mrom ebi wɔ hɔnom kɔlenak heba wɔno nso wɔ ashtown Freddie Mens wɔno nso so ɛwɔ keo ɛne shops aka nyinaa wokɔ PFA tafo ayɛma wɔ hɔ wokɔ Osons pharmacy ɛhɔ nso so aduro no bi nso ɛyɛ dɛ ɛwɔ hɔ baabi biaa yɛ a wopɛ aduro no ebi atu akoton bi akɔ saa shop yi a yɛbobɔ din yi a wo nsa bɛka bi na aduro no ne doso po pa a wopɛ ɛnam di kan bɔɔ number ne so no 0548 44 11 0538 44 11 ofo number ya dodo bi a wo pe bia na fancy unim ade ese ho doctor say o say tena se ye center ho na wo mu a yare ahye omo so ache obi wo hono ma wakwa awo so many years or pa awo wonya bi ne menses no eba na ekroto yasu bubu doctor say safo ni nyina mu tuana momla nyame be fa ne so no ma moduro ana ne na ne sa ne mani nyina ama wo so eba e wo se bi be to won saso na to won aso no wo so wonya bi doctor say usisi na ya wo ya all say how typhoid tetew yare bia ani wudi asie wo nipadua no bia no doctor say tuanamon na bra ya so ye ho e wo breman da bia first ne fro o se kwadwo no nya diviere ho no na ho e na ye center no e wo wudi ho no ma printing press bi wo ho wudi ho na busa say ope Jerinas Herbal Center ya so ye ya doctor ankasa so person the doctor Jim Koma 0241 81 46 77 0241 81 46 77 yawa bramai babia first near fro se kwadwo no diviere ho no e honom na ya so ye no e wo bibibia ha obia number ya bia to jai o frɛ doctor ebejo feso na watie wo ha obia na betena se 101 no ahwe yare bia e ha obia ama na firi ama
yes yada say Jerina Seba Center ana omode Jerina Seba mechano abadwa so mpe bi na mo no moy chese obetimi akọ Herbal Center won so na on doctor ankasa so ediehia meza mo ntrase na afi ye mehwem kakara me fa me course no nemom yes Bafo Polo ntade na makacho say awosane Bafo Classics enso aba enti lapel tops and in the down trousers ewom ana afi make house shorts enso account o sempe adwuma phone ti so your banner so your bema una unmatade pam a wo pa adwuma ya abomode anse woni Bafo Polo enso ebeka African print no our platinum package diamond afi gold package and silver ni no 10 shirt 15 5 respectively at the opebiano when a Bafo Polo and so ebekasa waya juma ewa henema kokobin of Santa say equine so 0249 6007 89 21st clinic and so a ton to mom was Europe no Romania, Italy, Germany chasa honi nyina ye fa ho WhatsApp line no Belgium nyina ye beba ho one solid month just started 21st of last month in the 21st of this month ye be WhatsApp line ye 0244 91 5116 Osiatica ya bani ababetu asiama nti we WhatsApp line abroche for no na monfa mo voice note ene mo WhatsApp calls and afi messages no enso emfa ISI line so embra Institute of Expert and Travel Institute of Expert Travel and Tour ese odo be kwama no ne enti sawotemin kana po yo bia wo pe work visa business visa wo pe student visa na simple wo pe residence aya visa bomodi anse one Institute of Expert Travel and Tour and so nabeka sajuma fono wo pe nurse ni midwife afei wo ye pharmacist and as lab technician abeso kwa abomodi anso ne mpanfo no ebedi nkomo mbese mutu kwan na mokofa ne ma bani nyina mpanfo say yen kan chwo mo se momra omo ye adwuma e wo so fly barracks so omoni soldiers omo second gate and a D and hwe 0539858766 na fe onim penfono enso enkasa Qualitac Dental Clinic says oh problem e wonum e bia wo sen enwon samo be say ese ne kama emao e ban say bia root canal treatment aye crown and as bridges and abesa wo seno won so wo share aye complete dentures e bia wo seno cosmetic dentistry and as a dental implant wo seno obeso tu na replacing afibody ne bia na simple wa wo ye twitwi so na sa de sha scan any x-rays ni nyina no Qualitac Dental Clinic enso ebehwe amanioma so I fine ediamao cleaning and polishing nyina no wo be enso ediamao udu patasia wo mo kachire amageman building em enye yira kwan kra patasi main street ni mo ana chese wonsa enso ebeka Qualitac 05382500 078 mpanifono enso ebejo so nkomo bi akabia no one omo enso edene kama na obeso ye adwuma ewa manone express group say a school for no midwives and impo na ba na se bia nurses munyina no wo mo ju visa ma wo mo ye ticket in sense wo ma school for no so no se bia wonya admission na e bia processing no aye difficult ema say wo Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand na simple aye Germany and abeso kwa when the express group for no and so enim komo omo ye adwuma e wa safo labor runabout on my pay and afi make I say Canadian first light and so I won't cry tell day omo market circle on my pay 0249 000448 Perifono and so Abejo so Kulun Ghana Limited Wamudinupa and Abejaso a drone marcajo say Araba Bazen tablet a medro or your banners of Fabi BCS wasi ebewo wasi eberinsin wasi kwino and some ebemwa kumebi menstrual pains abeko bema wadro a Mr. Q and an abebwa ama sexually why mre untimi nya dwumani ewo mpem oye bema o libido sem ewo former for untimi sorry ya wadro a Mr. Q and afi ya wa drive fan say hunchu capsules eno say wo dwonso a wote ya wo dwonso a wote so bemum ahyew no adronom aya hunchu capsules aya China wo munu binane ha ma no mde aya sanroi ade abadwaso 0244275429 na emperifono enso enyo so meza.
Yes, Fancy quickly na yen sorry so na they come back to us. So I think say Sunday no give us a clearer picture of the way I and your obesity when it comes to Brikatuno. Na unfortunately, I think say Azamati and Ninya Abdul Rashid. And say your mind to me pick up. It was just obvious because we be an omako pina when Kisani Thompson Sevimo and the Kwakutumi Canadian no allows mo obebre. Semi-final, I think that is the best they reach. But it doesn't mean we don't have the potential to groom them or do something better to help them. You maybe at some free buyer will do this level. Ten beyond you be competition, we will come back and then could now maybe I want to say Saudi or Mofan, as and you may was say Saddam from you, but I relax it. Then the next 4 years we'll be there again and we'll be failing at this particular
level. Worth discussing crowd because it's very difficult. And no allows after so we G good no. Also who ni poster. Yade pi na shisha no ho. Masa. Esunania bra so opeso so they achieve video was an medical. I think this is something they will need to have a look at and help you and could so make me improve. Ababa we say wa ko huri 1.92 year amfai. Russia boa obeba eno so sa aden na yesa. Aden. I think it has been too long and Kumasi Asante Kotoko should be very quick. Nanko was somewhere quick about this decision when it comes to Nuruddin. But who said there's a lot of talks about Nuruddin Peso focusing on the nursing. They are found to come by any nursing asem. Any nursing asem. The boy wanted a transfer out. Unya foreign offer. Foreign offer ne buy ni agent for Kotoko. Sanko muncha contract ni nanko nkobo. Also, because of nursing in the age and Kasane Bobo. What am I say? Yeah. Because also registering those things say different from say you know. It's in the age near 31, 32. Age na kasa. Now foreign contract in the buy, and he felt said this is the right opportunity, so on the way to coin. No, should be a professional football outside. But the procedure now opeso or faso. Emma Kotokojano Kwamanoko, no professional club in this world will allow that. No professional club. Abroad no professional club will allow that. Like agents nanga so monton player no but
contract now akra o mesi no nko
hwe
free maybe akofa issues ni nyina asa se bobo ba no
my ko ebrem o tuna ye ba na say wi akra be baba be we
deal o say come back come ready hot I was saying me
am be family course cry
Miss Meko. What did Mike do you name now when you're Domia Brad
so my menka birthday so a very happy special birthday to Nana Abba Dankwa. Nana Abba Janwa Dankwa. Ne papa ne Nations FC almost CEO. Inti Nana Abba Janwa Dankwa and they are a beautiful young girl. Age in grace, great health, and also the best that life has to offer. We are from Opapa, and it'll be Bia Nations FC, or Mokan be a Piamani Konenim, no, or maybe show happy birthday. Nanaba, have the best of the day.
Whoa, I mean to me, Yami Qualis, no remember 3 minutes. Kakrabi bit me a Fabiana, ya fat. Nimum, time about Meshano, or pharmaceutical shops, and herbal shop will be a moqua, or say, open time about Meshe, 2 malaria, say, I'm a 1 year what Dema Padiaco, you must for Numbete, Obedi Dubetin ye. The Pepiana what Dema pay a time. Herbal Mesha, time HH about Meshan in the capsules. And money memado Tatasha, Unumbia, Wabe Freddy Adansi, 0244 417-669. Yes, I had time about mixture in the product. Young for course name 0551931931 0548931931. My man for me course real quick. Hello, caller.
Thank you.
Yes, open your first work as every. Anna needs you. Oh, Kafre Fia. Yes, open it you. Adam.
Robert, put you guys are able to get around the prayer.
Okay.
And I find you one out, Chamabana boy. What I said. On a has a cook, agency Chamano, yet the has a cook support the Ziano. Objection or Baba has a cook. Now, what I has a cook as well. I am going to pay for Nabaso. So, was it a Chinese pay for the Yana? Yes, of what I said there. You need to pay your board. You don't know to buffer it. On your Zamana, your senior department.
Oh, you're asking so by. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I show dinner maybe I can say for Wadaro Manoma and Swame.
But your friend Prince make us a go.
It's you. Open Prince, it's you. Oh, Kafra. Hello.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Open it, yet soon come.
I have the power in Solomon.
Okay.
I can't say one family. None of them point out to say watch among the general. Bye, my more never for Namacha modern Coca Coca. Now, I can't make a say. I am more commanders and look to company for Namaso. Okay, trainer, you were opportunity to go with them 19 in the mois. As a part of the Nadiumpa, they would give it upon a new packer or more piano. The American took to working up for first picture. I will want my record piano. And we won't come up with and take to him. Mr. Lawyer Bakoya, I will make shout out to that.
Whoa, yes, I say Obaso. Yes. My main real quick name, sorry, my news for them ran off. Young Quadim. Hello, caller.
Hello, stop God.
Maybe I show fair.
My main town will be your phone with 2 free now. So, when you will have them, Yamini Tobacco, Midwest Advancement. As far as the Yamini Quay, and the Maresca, one a Tradbury. As a more yard fans, the Akuma Dia grew. Because I was sure about it. That's a money meeting and one of them that's a plan to pay of a playing time. That's a good deal like I said, went to me, I show the paying time. Let's say, Cobata about the corner, a money meeting and one is a man to man, Quancofano. I'm an amamba strike, I'm at him, that's a woman, Nico, you were quite let's come out of that. Not quite the fans, no more, you know. And the rest of them to train or more, you know, or more to turn to their papa and Yamia, my next is in Chelsea, France, no. Young who are, if you so better to me, I yabre.
Okay. Yeah, I say, young fancy, young sorry, so news for an about quick. Happy birthday, the kind to Felicia Jan Ama from Chastela, and I say, young show, I would up at the legendary Felicia Jan Ama, and I would up. Happy birthday to Shaggy, big star, and I say, always Shaggy, and so I would up anti Shaggy, baby, I will be an happy birthday, Elko Ama.